Since you're changing from compound to simple time, you divide the above number by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is how many? Let's see. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And you divide the below number by 2. So 8 divided by 2, we have 4. So that means whatever we are going to do this, we are now going to convert it to 4 times signature. First of all, let's see how many notes, how many bits we had previously. This was 2 quavers here, 2 bits, because crochet is 2 bits for quiver. And we had here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, and we had this dotted rest 3. Means each 3 will give us 1 bit because we divided the above number by 3. So each 3 bits is going to give us 1 crochet. So this is 3. So inside these 3 now, 3 bits, 3 quavers. This 3 quavers is giving us 1 crochet. We now have, I've already converted it. So except I just want to maybe do like this. We've already converted it to simple time. And each 3 quavers will still give us 1 crochet. So this I can put triplets up. That automatically makes it 1 crochet again. And each of these 3 again will give us 1 crochet. Should have used red. Just give us 1 crochet again. And this is 3. Will still give us 1 crochet rest. So if you check now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We now have 4, 4. As simple as that. Okay. Well, anyhow, you see in your exams, you may be asked to group them like this. So you just put this and beam them and this. All right. So let's go to this one, and we have here the same thing. So the first, once you see changing to any, maybe from, if you're changing from simple to time, what you do is different. But since you're changing from compound to simple, what you do is the above number you divide it by 3, and 3 is 4. That's 12 divided by 3 is 4. And the below number you divide it by 2, which we still have 4. So let's see what we are going to do here. And the same thing. So if you have a dotted meaning here for quiver, initially this dotted meaning here is 6 bits. Now let's see, how do we have 6 bits here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if we can make it to be 6. We have here 2 of these. Anyway, let me take shortcut, although it's not advised. It's not the right way of grouping 6 knots. So we have here 1 crochet, we have here 1 crochet again, and we have here 1 crochet, and we have here 2 crochets makes 1 meaning, and then this one now becomes a dot. So that means we had 6 quavers here, and here we had 2 quavers, and here 1, 1, 1. So 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6, 8, 9, 10. That means there should be a dot here. Made a mistake. There's a dot there. Okay, so we have 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here, this is a duplet note, which means these 2 notes will be played in place of 3 beats. So these 2 notes carries 3 beats, and this carries 3 again, and this carries 6. So since you are dividing everything here into 3, this is what we are now going to have. I hope you're ready. Now the first one here is 3, right? The first one is 6. So now, since we are now in need of crochet, if it was 3, we would have just written the crochet, because already automatically 3 quavers here is 1 crochet, since we are now grouping it into 3. So since here is 6, that means we already have 2 crochets from here. How do we have 2 crochets? From this grouping, from changing here, you know, you divided this by 3, and that means dividing this by 3 means 3 quavers now. So this one now has 6 quavers. So each 3 quavers will give us 1 crochet. So each 3 quavers will be grouped to give us 1 crochet. So now here we have 2 crochets from here. So you write here 2 crochet is 1 minimum. You don't put the dot again. And here you have 1 crochet. And what do you do here? Since it's already grouped in 3, you just write it down. Instead of 3 quavers, you triple it, and it's still equivalent to 1 crochet. So we now have 4 crochets in this bar. We have here 2, 1, and 1. So this one is duplet knots. The 3 of it was previously played in 3 time, in 2 notes played in 3 beats. Okay, so now that means it's still equivalent to 3 quavers. So here automatically we now have 3 quavers, but since it was 2, you don't need to write. You can't form your own notes at this point. So you just write no number above, nothing. With these 2 now, you see 2 quavers is equivalent to 1 crochet, and then this one is already on its own, which will give us 1 crochet, and this one you remove the dot and make it like that. So do we now have here 1, 1, and 2? So this is the simplest way of changing from compound time to simple time signature. I hope you enjoy what I'm doing here. If you enjoy, ask your question. This is from grade 4, 5 upper. You'll be coming across stuff like this. So don't worry, it's a gradual process. Meanwhile, if you enjoy and if you understand, or if you enjoy and if you want to enjoy more, feel free to share, like, comment, do everything necessary to show your support. I'm here. I love you.